Now let us talk about a common problem. Many learners feel shy. They feel afraid. They think, what if I do mistake? Let me tell you a simple things clearly. Mistakes are good. Mistakes help you learn. Even native speakers make mistakes. Do not stop thinking. Think freely. Think simply. Another good habit is talking to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. When you walk on the road, say in your mind, I am walking. There are many people. The road is busy. The weather is hot. When you see a shop, say, this is a shop. The shop is closed. I like this shirt. This is thinking practice. Now let me give you another tips. Stop translating full sentences. Translation is your enemy. If you think আমি ক্লান্ত, do not translate word by word. Just think I am tired. That's it. English is not Bangla. Bangla is not English. Both languages are different. So stop mixing them. Now, listening is very important. You must listen to English every day. Listen to easy English. Listen to podcast. Listen to slow English videos. Listen again and again. When you listen, your brain learn English pattern. Then thinking become natural. Do not rush. Do not hurry. Learning English is a journey. It takes time. But if you practice every day, you will improve soon. Even 5 minutes a day is enough, but do it every day. No book, no pen, no pressure. Just think in English. Finally, I want to say one thing. Do not need perfect English. You need clear English. You need confidence in English. Start today. Start now. Think simple. Think slow. Think in English. Thank you so much for listening me. If you like this video, keep practicing with me. See you in the next episode. Take care. Keep learning. Keep thinking in English.